Finally! Oh, you gotta love it. You gotta love it.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that guy.
This thing was just a monster. Did you see that?
60 pounds worth of rocket up high. They had to get the waiver from the FAA.
That thing weighed 60 pounds?
60 pounds. 60 pounds.
60 pounds. That's like launching one of my little children.
It is,
That is
isn't it, though?
amazing. Can you imagine how high this thing went, how far we could actually go on a horizontal?
We were off here to
look
3
at this.
Dust Devils.
We gotta go. We gotta go. Come on, come on, go, 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 go. Come on, Dust Devils.
While we're waiting for the hurricane, waiting for the hurricane, waiting for the hurricane to begin.
Is it going?
I was walking with the devil one day, handed me a cigarette and said it's okay. I said, devil, wanna be a rock star, play my music in the real fine bar. I said, okay. Said, sonny, now take my hand, I don't wanna lead you to the promised land. I said, okay. Hey devil, what do I owe? He said, you don't know nothing but your mortal soul. I said, okay. That's what I said. I'm a thief, I'm a liar. Take a dip in the lake of fire. When you burn, I'll acquire another soul for my empire. I'm the devil, you know my name. You come searching for fortune and fame. But fame ain't easy, fortune ain't cheap. I give you what you want, but your soul is mine to keep. Devil said, wanna ease your pain, try some of this here cocaine. I said, okay. Sonny, this gonna blow your mind, keep you cracking all of the time. I said, okay. Hey devil, this won't do, not enough to get me through. He said, okay. Here's a needle, stick it in your vein. Free basing is the only way. I said, okay. That's what I said. I'm a thief, I'm a liar. Take a dip in the lake of fire. When you burn, I'll acquire another soul for my empire. I'm the devil, you know my name. You come searching for fortune and fame, but fame ain't easy, fortune ain't cheap. Give you what you want, but your soul is mine to keep. I was walking with the devil one day, didn't have $1 to my name. He said, okay. I said, devil, I wanna be rich, 'cause being broke is the son of a bitch. He said, okay. Guess the money go spend some, buy the world and have some fun. I said, okay. Hey devil, what do I owe? He said, you don't know nothing but your mortal soul. I said, okay.